how to sell crypto on Binance P2P trading, Gcash withdrawal tutorial. Now, if you want to sell crypto on Binance P2P trading and withdraw the funds to your Gcash, you can do so by simply opening the Binance app, tapping on the wallet option from the bottom right of the screen here. And from here, you can simply go to withdraw option and select P2P trading, which is bank transfer, digital wallet transfer, or mobile payment, which also means a Gcash. So select that. Now select the amount that you want to sell, right? So depending upon which crypto you want to sell, just tap on the sell button. And once you've done that, you can simply enter the quantity that you want to basically sell over here. And once done, you can just select a payment method. And in the payment method, you can add Cash App, but you can see view other payment method, and you'll be able to add those in that way, and just tap on the place order option. This way, you'll be able to sell crypto on Binance P2P trading. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.